There are many mini PC products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mini PCs from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. ASEMAGICIAN Win 11 Mini PC. Rating 4.4. It is 45% smaller than the average mini computer. You can easily hold it in your hand or carry it in a backpack. A mini desktop PC is suitable for office work or outdoor cinemas. Our complimentary VISA bracket can mount the small PC on the wall or monitor. The mini computers adopt the latest LPDDR5 with a frequency of 3200 MHz, which is 72% higher than DDR4. The power consumption is reduced by 25%, and the powerful running speed can ensure that multiple applications can be browsed at the same time without freezing. Mini PC comes with a large fan and a powerful heatsink, which keeps it cool, allows heat to be perfectly dissipated, and improves overall performance with DDR and SSD cooling. Number 4. Camrui GK3 Plus Mini PC. Rating 4.5. Camrui Mini PC with high-speed 16GB DDR4, built-in 512GB M.2 2280 SSD. 16GB of RAM memory makes your entire system speedy and responsive. That way it can support tasks like memory hogging, multi-tab browsing, and opening a huge graphic file quickly and easily. Mini PC Silver Series has a great texture. The mini computer measures only 5.1 in 5.1 in 1.96 in. You can be easily placed in crowded workstations or small spaces. Because of the small size to put under you big screen TV for internet movies instead of just limited by the smart TV paid options. You can also mount a mini PC behind a computer monitor using VISA and turn your monitor into a pseudo, all-in-one, which is cool. Number 3. T1 Pro Mini Gaming PC. Rating 4.7. The GeForce RTX 4060 mobile graphics card is a versatile GPU for gaming and professional use. With Ada Lovelace architecture, real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3.0, and Max-Q technologies, it combines performance and efficiency. Ideal for gamers wanting high frame rates and creators needing reliable performance in demanding applications, the RTX 4060 mobile GPU delivers excellent results across the board. Customize your gaming experience with a dedicated button to control the RGB lighting. Choose from a spectrum of colors to match your style or mood. Optimize your system's cooling with a convenient button to adjust fan speeds. Whether you need a whisper-quiet operation or maximum cooling during intense gaming sessions, you're in control. Number 2. Geekom IT1 Mega AI Mini PC. Rating 4.9. The Geekom IT1 Mega Mini PC is powered by the 14th Gen Intel Core Ultra U9-185H processor, featuring 16 cores, 22 threads, 24 megabits cache, a base clock of 2.8 GHz. Turboing up to 5.1 GHz, CPU performance releases a max operating range of up to 55 W, which is 81% more energy efficient than traditional desktop computers. The Ultra performance enables the mini PC to handle heavy workloads and multitasks easily. Equipped with the latest Intel Arc Graphics iGPU, it supports DirectX 12 Ultimate. With the help of Intel CSS technology, the Geekom IT1 Mega Mini Gaming PC enables gamers to enjoy AAA games smoothly at 1080p resolution. Number 1. Vista V1 N97 Mini PC. Rating 4.9. Vista Series V1 mini computer is equipped with a 16GB DDR4 and a 512GB M.2 2280 SSD, which allows the small PC to run several high-performance operations simultaneously. The Business Micro Desktop offers fast data reading, writing, and storage capabilities, ensuring smooth application running. The portable mini PC features a silver case and can be stored in a bag and carried with you at any time, ideal for business trips. Save space by super mini size, 3.9 by 3.9 by 1.3 inch, and a Visa mount to install it on walls or monitors. The shape of the V1 has been recently improved, improving heat dissipation and enabling continuous and stable operation of the mini PC. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.